Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the important features of Transfer Property Act. Transfer Property Act is very important law of the land. It regulates transferring of the properties from one person to other person. What type of properties can be transferred under Transfer Property Act? Both type of properties, that is movable and immovable properties. You all be knowing about what type of properties are movable properties and what type of properties are immovable properties. Mainly this act deals with transfer of immovable properties through different modes. Four modes are given in Transfer Property Act, that is transfer by sale, transfer of property through mortgage, transfer by gift, and transfer by lease. So when we look towards the act, you find section 5 to 37 deals with both type of properties, that is movable properties and immovable properties. Before starting the sections of Transfer Property Act, it is very important to know about the features of Transfer Property Act. This act, as I told you, that this act talks about transferring of properties from one person to other person. So you also have to take in your mind that it is not only the law which regulate transfer of the property. There are number of laws which regulate transfer of property. Second, which you have to take note, that Transfer of Property Act is not the complete law which regulate the transferring of property, meaning thereby by fulfilling the conditions there given in the act, you also have to comply with the conditions which are there in other laws. So it is not the complete law and it is not the only law. When we look towards the laws which regulate transferring of property in our system, then we find there are number of laws which regulate transfer of properties. As if you are member of Hindu undivided family, then properties are transferred as per the Succession Act, Hindu Succession Act. There the Hindu Succession Act will come into force, where property, nature of the property is of ancestral nature among Hindus, Hindu law will apply. Similarly, by operation of law, meaning thereby that where there is order of the court to transfer the property, so by the orders of the court, properties are also transferred. Take example, when a dispute is there about the title of the property in the court, and it is the court to decide that who is the owner of the property. When I say the question of title, it means where ownership of the property is disputed and matter is before the civil court, that civil court has to decide that which party is to be declared owner of the property. After passing of the final order, where the court determines that who is the actual owner of the properties are transferred. Their revenue authorities on the orders of the court transfers the ownership in favor of a person who is having the decree order passed by the civil court. So by the operation of order of the court, properties are transferred. That is, I am referring with immovable properties. Then property through will. Property through will are also not covered under the Transfer of Property Act. Testamentary documents. The properties which are transferred through testamentary documents. when we say will come into existence after the death of a person, and as per the will of a person, property is transferred by the court, by the revenue courts. So there also the provisions of Transfer Property Act are not attracted. So there are number of ways where properties can be transferred from one person to other person. Here when we say Transfer of Property Act, it is very important to note that it regulate transferring of the property only within the living persons. It regulate transfer of the property. Mainly it talks about immovable property, where property can be transferred from one person to other person. Both the parties must be living persons. If the parties are not living persons, then the provisions of the Transfer Property Act are not attracted at all. So it is very important. Then when we say Muslim law, it is there in the Transfer Property Act that Muslim law, where there is in contravention with the provisions of Transfer Property Act with the Muslim law, then Muslim law will prevail, not the provisions of the Transfer Property Act. So you have to take note about these important features of the Transfer Property Act. Then very important feature of this act is its implementation over the territory of country. This act was passed in 1882. The Transfer Property Act came into force from 1st July 1882 in the phases over the territory of the country. When I say phases, that it is implemented at one point of time in some part of the territory of the India, olden India. Then afterwards, after some times, it was implemented over the other part of the territory of the India. So while implementing on the phases the Transfer Property Act, you find that it is not implemented over the territory of olden Punjab. It is nowhere written that transfer of property, the provisions relating to transfer of properties are implemented over the territory of Punjab. But when we say the legal position about that, what be the legality of the Transfer Property Act in the territory of Punjab, then you have to take note. You have to take note very important feature of the Transfer Property Act, that the court follows the provisions of the Transfer Property Act in the territory of Punjab in the name of equity, justice and good conscience. So you have to take note here. It is very important feature that the provisions of Transfer Property Act are not implemented in the territory of Punjab, where Haryana, Delhi, Punjab, it is the position here, but they are implemented in the name of equity, justice and good conscience. What is the difference here? That it is not implemented over the, it is not written that it is implemented over the territory of Punjab, and where there is written that it is implemented over the territory of India. So here you have to take note that here courts can give the weightage to the custom and usages because it is not implemented over the territory of Punjab. How? When we go by section 6 of Transfer Property Act, the properties which can be transferred, the properties which cannot be transferred under Transfer Property Act, which cannot be transferred under Transfer Property Act. So some type of properties are reflected in section 6 of Transfer Property Act, that these type of properties cannot be transferred under Transfer Property Act. and if it is transferred then it is void. So here when we say right of reversioners properties cannot be transferred. But what is the position here in the Punjab, territory of Punjab? In Punjab, property can be transferred, because here the Transfer Property Act provisions are not implemented. So that is the main difference. You have to take note of it. Then, as we discussed here, that the features of Transfer Property Act, that it is not only the law which regulate transferring of the property. There are number of laws which regulate transfer of properties. It is not the complete law. Second thing, very important thing, it is not the complete law which transfers the property. In transferring the property, complete law, how? It is not only the law, complete law, that by fulfilling the conditions which is given in the Transfer Property Act, you get the properties transferred. You have to comply with the provisions there in the other laws also, side by side, which are there in other laws also. This act reflect about the conditions, who be the competent person to transfer the property, who be the competent person to get the property, who can be the competent buyer, who can be the competent seller, who can be competent donor, who can be the competent donee, who can be the mortgager, who can be the mortgagee. These conditions are reflected in the Transfer Property Act. Side by side, you also have to fulfill the conditions which is there in the other laws. As I put before you, Indian Registration Act. If you want to transfer your property to some other person, if you want to sell your property to some other person, you have to comply with the provisions of the Transfer Property Act, and side by side you also have to fulfill the conditions they are given in Registration Act. Registration Act reflect about the Registration Act, Indian Registration Act 1908 reflect about what type of instruments are required to be registered and what type of instrument are not required to be registered. As I give you example, that take example, if you want to transfer the immovable property having value of 80 rupees, 90 rupees, then it is not required that the instrument to be registered. It is on the option of the parties to go for the registration or not to go for the registration. But if the value of property is 100 or more than 100 rupees, then Registration Act, Indian Registration Act says that those properties are required to be registered. For that you have to go to the Tehsil court and registered your document as per the Indian Registration Act. Then second thing, what amount the stamps will be fixed over the instrument. That is time to time, that is notified by the state governments, that on the property, if the property is having value such and such, how much fees will be fixed over the instrument. So that is notified by the state. You also have to comply with that. Without that, there cannot be registration. So it is not the complete law. I want to say that it is not the complete law, where by complying with the provisions you can transfer the property. You have to comply with the other laws, the conditions given in the other laws, to make your transfer effective, make your transfer legal, so that it create an interest in the other party which purchased the property. So with these things which we discussed here in the class, they are very important before moving towards the sections, the provisions given in the Transfer Property Act. Because until unless we clear our doubts on the features of the Transfer Property Act, we cannot understand the act, what is reflected in the provisions of the act. So with these words, we again meet and start with the definition part of the Transfer Property Act. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.